Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are going to be building a pergola here. My dad, my mom, Levi and myself. We're going to be digging holes and start erecting that today. So I thought that would be an awesome video to make the process of building this shelter outside for us to sit under. So it'll be great. Let's go. Balance me. Thank goodness we have gumboots, boots of gums, because this work would have been absolutely impossible. Yeah. So as I was saying, Levi, myself and my parents are going to help build the pergola. And there's my mom sorting out photos. Mama, what's the time? I'll have a look now. Oma. My ears, I've got cotton wool in now because I was holding the heavy hammer against the planks. My dad was hammering from the other side, and then the sound was so loud it like went into my ear. It felt like something exploded in my ear. So yeah, I've got cotton wool in my ears now.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. Already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long. And now you're gone. Took me away from all of my fears. Kept me away from all of my
You know what that stands for, Papa? Thank you so much. TSM. Okay, let's put the roof on, Papa.
You stay here and she can listen to something is stressing the weekend. It's coming from
It's 6 and we're still going. I lost sense of humor for about 2 hours. Hopefully tomorrow we can put the sheets on. Hey guys, so we are finally done for today. We just had some dinner. We finished up at about 6:25. We actually got quite a bit done. The frame is up. One of the cross beams is up. We've got to do the other 2 tomorrow, and then we need to put on the sheeting as well. I'd really like to get that done before like lunchtime so that we can actually go to the river tomorrow and enjoy some fun time. I look proper dirty, so I'm holding my mic with my other hand. I look like I've been rolling around in the mud, living my best life. Also my knees are quite brown and dirty, but yeah, I'm glad that majority of the work is done, I hope. And yeah, we'll finish the job tomorrow, I am pretty sure. Better be before lunchtime. But anyway, I'm going to go and have a bath now. Yeah, then I'm going to relax and wind down. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow or later. I don't know. We'll see. Bye. Oh, and also I forgot to show you guys what my nails look like. I did cut them today. Yeah, it kind of looks like a child cut their own nails and forgot to file them. You know, they kind of are covered in mud. Also, I wanted to show you what soaps I use. So this one is for the body. It's the Beautiful Pears soap, darling. And then for my face, I'm going to use Skin Whitewash. It's like a clay kind of cleanser, which is great. And then because I work so hard in the sun today, I think I'm also going to use the Nukuto butter by Skin. It's a hot cloth cleanser. So time for some pampering time. Good morning. Good morning and welcome to my very messy room. I haven't made my bed yet. Last night was a terrible night. I did not sleep a wink, and I tried for the second night in a row to upload a vlog onto YouTube, and the internet is just so slow. Over 4 hours it did only 13% of the video. So it's fun and games with the internet here, and we don't have fiber. Waiting for that to come, so hopefully that'll come soon. But yeah, I had a terrible night's sleep. I did not sleep. Eventually, even my son, he was also not sleeping. We watched a movie in bed and had tea and rusks. And then this morning my dad got a head start on finishing the cross beams. Yeah, I was still lying in bed. I just couldn't get out. I have finished helping him with the last bit of the cross beam, and then it was actually a bit rickety, because how we had put the plank up against the wall and the beam going across and down, it was pulling away from the wall at the bottom. So my dad just put a wedge, like a support triangular structure, and now it is solid, so that's cool. Yeah, and then we're going to put up the sheeting and finish that up today. So let us get going and do that.
What I deserved, you know it. I wanted
my dad's favorite topic is leverage. So he's going to move this bookcase with that.
1 centimeter.
Wow. Look at that! Jetzt ist da über.
I